Hello and welcome back to the channel and the stairwell renovation. When I last left you guys, I was working on painting the stairwell, adding some trim, painting the door, and now I'm ready to start working on tiling the landing here. So originally this landing had vinyl plank flooring, and underneath the vinyl plank flooring was a wood plank flooring that had kind of this cementitious finish on it that I think was kind of a leveling compound. I pulled all of that up, cleaned it really well. I did have to patch a little section of the floor where there was some water damage. It didn't look like it was an active moisture situation, but the wood was in pretty rough shape. So I patched that, and now I just need to install some cement backer board over this plywood to create a surface for tiling on top of. I decided to use tile in this space because I think it's just gonna be really durable. It's gonna last a really long time. It's gonna be really easy to clean. It's gonna be appropriate for, coming in and taking off wet shoes and all of that. So I think tile is gonna work really well here. And I think it's just gonna look nice. So that is the plan for today. Get it in there and not be able to get it out either. I have to piece this together. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the best way, is just to piece it, which I don't really wanna do, but I think it's gonna make my life a little easier. All right, new plan. I probably should have waited to cut this, and then I could just put a full sheet in here and then pieced in the rest. I was gonna try to do like a full piece here, a full piece here, and then kind of piece in the center. But yeah, I think having a full piece and then just like piecing in the rest would work better. Smooth paste-like consistency. Okay. Ooh, shaking my arms a lot. Okay. Okay, this drill is pretty good, but it does struggle a little bit with these screws. Our other drill is too powerful and it shoots them straight through the sheetrock. So anyway, I don't know what the best one to use is. I probably just need a new drill that's not this drill, and not that drill. Anyway, but I was trying to get them as flush as possible with the top of the backer board. All right, I'm gonna take a break. Then I'll mud and tape. This is concrete, not drywall. I'm just using a drywall bucket to mix up a little bit to do my taping and mudding. Because because I did not have it in me yesterday to do it. I was exhausted. All right, I'm finally ready to start tiling this floor. And I'm gonna be using a large format tile, so it's a roughly 12 by 24 inch tile. And I've never tiled with the large format tiles. I think they can actually be a little trickier sometimes to get really nice and level than the smaller tiles. In the past, I've done tiling with penny tile and then just like a smaller, I think 3 by 5 inch tile for the bathroom in our basement. And it went relatively smoothly. It was a lot of work and it was like very hard on my back. But it went okay, and I've been really happy with the installation on that. And this is a pretty small space, and I'm gonna keep it really simple and straightforward. I'm just doing a basic stagger with these tiles. The first thing I wanted to do was establish lines for the first row of tiles. So I'm gonna be lining up the tiles with the edge of the landing that goes down to the basement. The only really complicated cut that I'm gonna have, which is not that complicated, I hope, is notching out around this wall here down at the bottom. So basically what I'm gonna do is just line up the tile with this landing, and then the tile on the other side will just have a little corner notched out of it to fit there, and that's kind of where I'm establishing the first row and the first couple of tiles. I have a tile saw that I've used before. I've never used it on this large of a tile before, but I think I'm only gonna make 1 or 2 cuts on that saw, and then I think I'm gonna use a manual tile cutter to do all the rest of the cuts because they're just gonna be straight cuts. So I'm gonna practice that tile cutter, the manual tile cutter, on a piece of tile for the one that's gonna go right here around this little notched situation first. Then I will do the notch on my tile saw. So, okay, let's do it. Oh, that works good. Wow. That works really, 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 really well. That is so clean. Yay. All right, I think I'm ready to start tiling. So I've got a bucket with some of the mortar here. I've got a bucket of water with a sponge in case I need to do any cleanup. I've got some paper towels over here. And then I'm gonna be using these clips to level the tiles and make sure there's no lippage, industry term. I just saw that on a YouTube video. Between the 2 tiles so that everything's nice and level. And yeah, I've got my trowel here. And then I've also got a little edge trowel for kind of cleaning up the edges before I put the clips in. I've got this little tool to kind of scrape out any of the mortar that squeezes through the tiles, because if the mortar comes through the top of the tiles and gets hard, it makes it harder to grout. I learned that on the penny tiles that I did, so I got that just as an extra measure. And then this little tool helps to tighten the clips. So I guess we gotta just go for it. Okay, so I ran out of mortar, and I would have had enough mortar, but I mixed way too much of that stuff when I was putting down the backer board. Anyway, so I'm very frustrated about that. So I got about a third of the way through this tile project. I just made sure to clean all the excess grout from the edges of the tile. I went ahead and put in those little spacer clips, the little leveling clips, because they have to slip under the tile and I didn't want the grout to dry before I was able to get those in for the next piece. So I have to take the dogs to the groomer this afternoon. I'm gonna run by Home Depot, get some more of the mortar. So tomorrow I'm gonna come back and try to finish. But to be honest, I'm already tired. Tiling is so exhausting. I don't know, well, I do know why, because you have to be down on your hands and knees and you're getting up and down a lot, but it's really hard on the back and it's just exhausting. So maybe it's good that I'm kind of breaking it up a little bit. But also the space is so small that it makes it a little bit awkward to work in. And I think tomorrow when that mortar is dry, I can kind of put some of my supplies over on that side of the room and finish the other side. So maybe it'll work out better that way. All right, got some more mortar. I'm gonna try to finish getting these tiles down today so that I can grout tomorrow. I think I can just kick these off, the ones that are dry. Yeah, and I can just reuse the little wedges. These little red plastic things are done, but I can reuse these on future projects. Oh, that actually fit. Good. Last tile, finally. Okay. Crap, I need a bigger bucket. That's better. I'm gonna use this little grout bag to do the grout. I think it'll just be a little bit neater. And maybe I won't use as much grout, even though I think I mixed way too much once again. Ooh, it's gonna be hard to squeeze out. I don't know if this was the right move or not. It's a little awkward. I don't know if this is gonna work, y'all. This stuff's thick. I wonder if I need to cut the hole bigger. That might help. Yeah, it's better. I decided to go with a warm gray color because the tile is a little cool, the paint color is a little cool in here, and I wanted to warm it up just a little bit, and I'm gonna have some other warm finishes in here, so I thought that might be kind of good to kind of tie it all together. And I chose a dark grout because I want it to hide stains better. It's looking so good. Oh my gosh. This is a very satisfying project. One more pass with some clean water, and then I think that'll do it. I mean, what an improvement. Gosh, so glad I did this. Tiling is so labor intensive, but it's actually really rewarding when it's done. This is my first time working with the large format tiles. They were a little bit more labor intensive to install. And I wouldn't say that they were easier than like the penny tiles. I've done penny tiles and I've done kind of medium-sized tiles or small tiles. So this was a little bit more challenging just getting them down. But man, with the right tools, the process is actually not too bad. I'm very happy with the outcome. Looks great. Oh yeah, it's pretty clean there. Pretty clean. Makes me happy. All right, the floors are done in here. It looks so much better in here, and it feels bigger in here. Alan and I were talking the other day about how it just feels bigger and cleaner in here. I think that mostly has to do with the fact that before there was just a lot of visual clutter with all of the kind of dilapidated finishes in this space. I kind of just like put blinders on when I came through this space before, and so I didn't do anything in this space when we moved in. I was like, this space, I'll get to it when I get to it. Now that I've gotten to it, it's such an improvement in here. It feels so different in here, and the floors just took it up another notch. And this stairwell is not squeaky anymore. The stairs and the landing were both so squeaky before, and now like there's no squeak. There's no squeaks, no creaks. It just feels so much more solid. There's still a few more things left to do in this space, but I'm gonna save those for next week's video. So I'm gonna be staining the steps and putting the finishing touches on the stairwell. And then I've also gotta do some cleanup downstairs to get ready to put the floors downstairs. So I think I might be doing a little Q&A either next week or the next week. I'm not sure yet. So if you guys have any questions for me about the renovations, about me and Alan, about anything to do with this channel, feel free to drop me a comment below. I'm also going to put a post in the community tab asking for questions too that I can answer in a video, an upcoming video. So, okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.